Being out on the street after dark is just a very different experience. From your typical street photography walk, where we're looking for or hoping for a decisive moment,
I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game.
I find it's more about imagining what the end picture will be.
Mean nothing more to me, 'cause let's start over now. Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
It's simply a matter of thinking differently, experimenting. We can get the camera on a tripod and make these super sharp pictures that depict the night the way we expect to see it. But I choose to use other techniques. Look for moving silhouettes. Capture the surreal quality of the night. And anything that reminds me of what it felt like being out that night. On a night like tonight, I wasn't necessarily looking for figures or people, as I usually am. Normally, the most interesting part of street photography are those that include people, that contain that human element, the movement. It's more about just exploring the light, the night lights, that can create so much drama and mystery. So go out after dark and look for the surreal with your camera.